what 100-year-olds eat every day. Join me, guys, and we will all find out why. Ethel and Allera here. Let's go! Ever wondered what centenarians eat to live past 100? From Okinawa to Italy, their daily meals might surprise you and inspire you to change your plate. Today, the blue zones, places where many people live past 100. Number one, Okinawa, Japan. Number two, Sardinia, Italy. Number three, Akaria, Greece. Number four, Nicoya, Costa Rica. Number five, Loma Linda, California. What's common in their diets? Daily eating habits of 100-year-olds. The top one habit, plant-based diets rule. 90 to 95% of their calories come from plants. 2. Lots of vegetables, beans, lentils, whole grains, and fruits. Daily eating habits of 100-year-olds. Number 2, beans are the star. Lentils, black beans, chickpeas, soybeans, tofu in Okinawa. High in protein, fiber, and longevity benefits. Daily eating habits of 100-year-olds. Number 3, minimal processed food. Regularly eat packaged or fast food. Eat fresh, seasonal, local. Daily eating habits of 100-year-olds. Number 4, whole grains over refined carbs. Brown rice, oats, barley, sourdough bread. Avoid sugar-loaded cereals or white bread. Daily eating habits of 100-year-olds. Number 5, healthy fats. Olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocados. Not afraid of fat, but they choose good fats. Before we continue to the next daily eating habit of 100-year-olds, they grow their own food. Eat slowly with family. Stop eating when 80% full. As per Hara Hachibu, Okinawa practice. Daily eating habits of 100-year-olds. Number 6, limited meat, mostly for flavor. Maybe once or twice a week. Small portions, often used like a condiment. habits of 100-year-olds. Day number 7. Dairy is fermented or limited. Goat milk, yogurt, or cheese in moderation. Better digestion and gut health. Daily eating habits of 100-year-olds. Number 8. Daily herbal teas or warm water. Aikai, say, and mint tea. Okinawa, turmeric tea. Nicoya, lemon water or corn-based drinks. Sweeteners only. Local honey, fruit, no sugary desserts. Sweets only on special occasions. Early meals. Eat like a king in the morning. A peasant at night. Many fast naturally 12 to 6 hours a day. Longevity isn't just in your genes, it's on your plate. I would like to invite you all to try a longevity meal for a day and share your experience in the comments. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep flowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.